I came outside this morning once again to our chicken coop, and today we got another surprise in here. It's not a dead chicken, but we got a cardinal stuck in the cage, and I'm not quite sure how we're going to get him out because he is going crazy. This isn't the first time this has happened either, but usually it's a little finch that gets stuck in here. But today we got a beautiful red cardinal. And just another day in Kentucky, living the homestead and farm life. The adventures of owning chickens. All right, let's try to get him out.